How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today we're at Kawasaki Daishi Pagoda. There's multi-level pagoda here. It's something I've been wanting to do the entire time I've been in Japan. Go to Fuji Yoshida. I have not done that yet. Still working on it. Also, that's awesome too. So let's get inside and go check it out. So we just entered here. I'm in this beautiful entrance right there. Then over here you have it looks like gravestones. So we won't go in there. And then that looks promising up ahead. And we got a map. And my favorite things are maps. And right there is where we entered. Currently right about here. And we're gonna go over to right there, because that looks really cool. That's awesome. I mean, that's so cool to see. I've always wanted to see it. I've seen the one at Disney World, but this one is legit. That's so cool. Also, none of these are open because it's a Monday. On the weekends though, this place is very busy, and they have all these little vendors out here with delicious food, by the way. But that's why I'm here. There's a little pathway here, and you drop your coins into the box here, and then you go get these sandals and you place them here at the foot of the statue. Pagoda. That's just so cool. That's a very detailed statue. I just pulled out Google Translate. It's dedicated to a sumo wrestler, as you can see right there. Very, very cool to be here and see all these. Oh, there's so much more to look at. Just my love for red bridges is just ridiculous. How much I love red bridges. It's almost time for that cherry blossom season, but look at that. Look at that view. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love it. That's so cool. That's easily the thumbnail of this video already. That is so cool. Well, it's not really a red bridge. I guess it's more of an orange bridge. But you can see they got some big koi in there. And the water is very clear, so you can see everything. But orange bridge. I like how no matter where you walk, it's right there. It's in your background. Woo! I love this place. Something else I always noticed about Japan is they like to save their trees. You can see right here they have actually roped up and supported for the tree so it doesn't fall over. When you get a chance, check out my Odawara Castle video, the one I'm talking about. I do mention that about the tree in the video. Another amazing statue right next to it, and then over here another beautiful building. Oh, I just love all the architecture and design of all this stuff. And we walk over here, and it looks like a sliding door. Oh, hello. Wow, that is another beautifully decorated building. That thing is huge. It's like bigger than me. Wow, this is so cool. And then toss your coins in there, like I said before. And these buildings are so big and so detailed. And we just came out of there. You come over here, and then there it is again. Oh, it's so cool. Just that spire on the top is just very bright. There we go. See if we can get close on it. It's very pretty. I like it. It's definitely a win for Google Maps again. The reason I say it's another win for Google Maps is I went to Atami Castle. I was looking up castles in Japan, and Google recommended me to Atami Castle, and it is one of my favorite castles in all of Japan. And then there was a monkey show, so check out my Atami Castle video where we got to see a monkey perform. It was a good day. Yeah, so Google has not let me down on this trip. Also very good for directions here. That's awesome. I say awesome a lot, but this stuff has been pretty cool this trip. There's a market right down the street. Obviously, again, it's a Monday. It's a little slow. Well, there's no lack of souvenirs here. Because then there's another one right across the way. Saw a couple things that look semi-decent to eat. Snacks on snacks. Good. And then these are everywhere. There's so many of them. There's more. So I guess if you're looking for souvenirs, this is a great place to go. They have everything from 700 yen to 5,500 yen, which currency exchange right now, I believe 5,500 yen is like 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm nailing that one lately. Over here you can get chopsticks, and then they actually do custom chopsticks too, where they'll put your name on it, or there's certain designs. And then these are really fun too. Like there's a donut. It's just a little piece of glass. Yep, it's the end of the day. They're starting to take everything down and the day is over, but there's so many treats. And there's too many. I don't know. And then we just came from back there. I think I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy the birds chirping, the fish swimming, and the views for a little bit before I take off. Well, if you're wondering if it was worth the trip, I would say yes. It was very peaceful being in such an urban area. The airport is literally right across the river over there, the Haneda airport. Literally, you can leave the airport and come right here. It's like 2 train stops away. Pretty close, but definitely worth the trip. Really enjoying all the places I've been in Japan. Just that building right there, just so cool. Everything's kind of closing down. It's almost 5 o'clock, and it's the end of the day. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're gonna go more places in Japan. They're coming. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.